Now, I think that science fiction has been underrated as a genre for grown-ups. I think that science fiction often predicts and even inspires real-world innovation that we can all use. Within our lifetimes, it is in fact possible that AI could go rogue. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm very pro-AI, and of course, we've all heard amazing things in this 3-day conference. Everyone's talking about improvement in margins and, potential for future economic abundance as a result of AI, and I'm pro all that. But there is this existential fear that I think we as consumers, our customers, will be developing as a result of it. And I think this leaves a massive opportunity open for real-world physical retail. We have to remember that most people buy most things in physical retail still. And so I think we'll start to see an even more important emphasis placed on real stores. They provide this opportunity to give people what they're often lacking, a sense of community and belonging and warmth and wonder and awe and soul wealth. And these are the things that physical retail is perfectly positioned to provide.